Tons of fun, tons of fun. Tracking down more differences between hardtops and convertibles. We put the dash in the harness from a 1989 same year model hardtop. And then when Cars and Concepts made the convertible conversion on these cars, they employed a couple of separate parts, which we're having to swap over now to get actual power to the pump. Then we found out the inner tie rod was shot on this side and the wheel bearings needed packed. So we've ordered those parts, waiting for those. Just about ready for the rest of the interior. Then we got a special delivery for the coupe. Some extra backup parts. We got this. And then we got this door glass T-top, beautiful T-top mirrors, trims, regulators, all the important stuff to make that swap happen. So hopefully this will be a T-top car sooner rather than later. Then it's time for the Capri fenders and quarter panels. Nice foggy morning. That's what it's looking like right now. Happy Tuesday to you guys. So pretty. Wish us luck.